Hello guys, welcome to the Coder Realm, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn about console.log function in JavaScript. And this function is used to output a message on the web console, or if you want to print something on the web console, use this function console.log. For example, let's define a two variable const name and assign some value like a James. So type here James and then specify semicolon, and after that define another variable age and assign any value like a 3-4. Now, if you want to substitute the value of the variable into a string, you can write here console.log and within parentheses write the text. Let's say that I am James. So instead of James, you want to substitute the value of this variable here in this string. So what you can do here, type %s. And after that, you can type here, I am 25-year-old. So instead of writing 25 here in the string, you want to substitute this integer value into this string. So what you can do here for the integer value, type %d and then type here a year and the old. And after that, you want to replace this placeholder with the variable values like a name and age. So here type a name and the age. And I want to clear one thing, that here if you want to insert a string into the another string, if you want to insert a string, then specify %s, and if you want to insert an integer, then specify %d. So here %s is for the variable name and the %d is for the variable age. Now to execute this code, open a terminal and type node and make sure that you have installed the node on your computer, and then write here console.js, and this is the file name that I have created, console.js, to run this code and hit enter. Now here you can see I am James and I'm 34-year-old. But in the console.log within the string, you can see here I haven't specified the name or hard-coded the name as James and the year as 34. Instead of, I am extracting the values from the variable name and age by using this directive %s and %d. So this is the concept of string substitution. So what you are doing here, you're substituting values in the string. Now the next, I'm going to show you how you can apply a CSS properties or CSS style to your text in the console.log. So let me open a Chrome. In Chrome, anywhere on the screen, right click on and click on inspect to open the console. So here you see at the top, click on console. Now you can also execute JavaScript code here in the console. So let me style the text. So first thing, I'm going to change the color of the text. So for that, type a console.log. And within this, specify the text that you want to color. And before that, you need to specify a directive %c, then specify the text that you want to color. Let's say that this is the text, and now you want to change the color of this text into red. What you can do here, just specify a code, and within a code specify a CSS properties like a color and then colon, then red, specify semicolon, hit enter. Now the color is changed to red. You can also change the font. So whatever the CSS properties you know, you can apply on this text. So let's change the font size. So again, I'm going to write the same code, and with after this color red property, I'm going to specify font size and then colon, then I'm going to make it large. So type here large and then hit enter. Now the text is bigger from the previous one, you can see here. Now the next, I'm going to show you how you can present the data in a tabular form. So for that, you are going to use the console.table function. So let me show you. First, I'm going to create an array of objects. So for that, specify here const and then specify the array name. So type here student and then specify a bracket, and within bracket, I'm going to define two objects that represent the student name and age. So type here curly braces and specify the name. And here I'm going to take a name, James again. And the age is 24. And now again is define the another object, specify a curly braces, then a name, then specify a name like Adam. And specify the age as 67. Now we have created the objects, and after that we want to present this information as a tabular data. So what we are going to do here, type here console, and instead of .log specify table, and then give the object's name. So object is student. So type here student, specify semicolon. What you can do here, just comment it because we don't need this line. So now come here terminal, type node and type console.js. Here you can see your beautiful table data. Now next, I'm going to show you how you can group messages, or you can group a series of messages together using the console.group and console.groupInt. Let me show you. So type here console.group because you are going to create a group. So type here and give the group name. So here I'm going to give group name fruits, for example. Then specify semicolon. And after that, you can group the messages. So type here console.log. And remember, using console.log, you can print the messages on the console. So what you can do here, type the fruit's name, for example, apple. Then specify semicolon. Then again, one more message, type a console.log. And here type a fruit's name as a mango. Specify semicolon. And now we need to in the group. So type here console dot. Here you can type group int. Specify semicolon. Now you have created a group fruits with the fruits apple and mango. Now comment out these lines and then again type a node console.js. Hit enter. Nice. Here your fruits group containing fruits apple mango. And you can specify any number of messages into this group. I hope that you have learned how to use console.log to output the message on the console.